This sheep mentality, this fear of missing out, has its consequences. So, why am I not investing like everyone else? Right now, everyone's buying the dip again. Everyone's still throwing money at penny stocks. Zero fundamentals, just hype. Like, what is this? 2021 all over again? GameStop? Are we crazy? But for real, every time people forget what they're buying, that's when the bubbles start forming. So here's what you'll learn in this video. 3 lessons that will change how you invest. These aren't tricks or hype, just real strategies to avoid mistakes that cost people billions. Mistake number 1. Chasing hype. Fear of missing out. Guys, buy this $2 stock. I'm loading up on this stock. I called it with Rich Tech Robotics. I called it with Beyond Meat. This stock's going to $10 in just a week. Oh, what is this? This company has no fundamentals? Just a ton of debt? What was I thinking? Okay, time to sell. Most people buy because of fear of missing out, not because they understand the asset. That's why they lose money when the bubble pops. But for real, if you're going to invest in any of this, please do your own research. Mistake number 2. Ignoring fundamentals. GameStop in 2021. Reddit hype. Zero earnings growth. Guess what happened next? Real investing means understanding what you own. Revenue, debt, margins, those numbers tell the truth. Mistake number 3. Having no strategy. I invest gradually, diversify, and invest in stocks with strong fundamentals. No hype, no panic buying. Because without a plan, emotions always win. And that's expensive. Most people will repeat the $100 billion mistake. But if you understand these 3 principles, you won't. And that's why I invest differently.